maybe windy, and 40% chance of rain, which probably means all day sprinkles, which is way better than what we saw 2 days ago.
I promise you great trails.
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh wait, I have to set my watch.
Good start!
Not as easy as I remember.
Here he comes. How's it going, brother?
Good job, man.
Wow, nice weather,
Awesome,
huh?
absolutely. How you feel? You looking good?
I feel pretty good,
Whoa.
Straight down, I guess, no?
Yeah.
Probably.
Yeah.
You can jump. Is that Jay's like, I'm just gonna jump? Okay. It's not so bad. Hey, go the other.
You'll be happy to see that. Nice work, man.
I enjoyed the heck out of that.
Nice job.
Yeah.
Good work.
Good work.
Yeah.
Yeah, thanks, Mike.
Thank you.
Good work.
Oh.
Yeah.